Hello दोस्तों, today we have learned about how to create zip file for in Visual Studio Code project. So firstly go on the Visual Studio and edit, and we need to find what is our file path. So we click on file and open recent. So this file path we will see. So we need to go here and go here and in Visual Studio Code we see our file path is Django D drive Django code. Okay, and school project. So we need to go first school, not a second, because it's a project name. So we need to go first directory, school directory. So go on here and click on here and code. So here is our multiple products. So we need to go here. And if we click on if we go inside this school directory, so this is our project structure and this is our project name. So here we need to create zip file. So right click and compress to zip. It'll take some time, so we wait. After completing this, it asks to rename this file, so we name this as a school zip, and it's our zip file. We need to go here inside. This is our school folder, and this is our project structure, and this is our app structure. That's it. So on this video it's enough. So thank you for watching this video.